People Playground. It's a game where you can spawn shit and kill it. Which is fun. Don't you fucking walk away from me. Okay, we need to discipline this boy. There we go. So this is what happens when you use your legs. Stop. Fuck's sake, stop screaming. Stop it. Stop it. Don't worry, we can fix you, buddy. We can fix this. Okay. Alright. See, now this right here. Miracle shit. You can basically put this into anything. Heal any fucking wound. See, watch. Observe. Come back from which you came. Seriously, that's never happened before. It's never happened. It's just supposed to go in like that. But it's trying to fuck with me. For fuck's sake, Timmy, take your goddamn medicine. See, now he's alive again. But as you can see, he quickly dies again, so we're gonna need something stronger than this. See, we got some mods here. This will ensure his survival. The fuck? There we go. Alright. Well, the head's alive. Just drop our mistake into the pit. Alright. So we need to just start experimenting now. Because I feel like, you know, if we're gonna have access to all these able-bodied individuals, we might as well take advantage of it. Take advantage of it in ways that all the scientists are too scared to use it in. And this is not an accurate height difference between these two characters. Apparently this is Waluigi when he was a wee little baby. They're both still alive. We're just gonna need the syringe that makes this easy. This is the amputation syringe, and it's gonna help us get rid of these jittery little legs Waluigi has here. Just gonna... There we go. Aw, you quiet. Alright, and we also need to get rid of old Mario's legs. He was a lot less whiny about it. I don't know why he was unbothered by that. Okay, they've both died. Which, you know, is expected. But, don't worry. We're going to rebuild them. Place old Walu boy here. And here's the important part, my friends. Just gotta really make sure this is a stable connection. Now, we can go ahead and unfreeze that. Now, right now, this isn't gonna cause much of a difference. But just you wait. Alright, where's the... Okay. We gotta make sure these two boys are contained. Alright, we don't want them getting... I guess they're one boy now. I guess they only count as... We're just gonna have Mario up here observing the whole thing.
Yes. Continue with the experiment.
You got it, Mario. Alright, we got these two machines here, and they are going to keep us informed on the current status of these two. As you can see,
they're both dead.
So, in order to change that, we're gonna need to again employ some of this. Alright, wake up, you two. See, we got a stable heart rate going. They seem to be surviving quite well. I mean, they have 2 hearts after all. They gotta be pumping a lot of blood now. And it's, you know, it's blood they share now. Alright, now that I got 2 brains on the matter, I'm gonna need you both to draw your attention over here.
Watch it! Decipher my language! Tell me what it means!
Now, normally, I don't think Waluigi and Mario even love each other that much. Okay. They seem to have discovered some form of flight. Oh. They're taking off! The experiment was a success! We created the first bird human capable of flight. Congratulations, Wario. Congratulations. Alright, we gotta get rid of this disgusting thing now. Okay, moving on. Now we have to be even more creative than last time. And what's more creative than Minecraft? What's more creative than Minecraft? What are you running away from, huh? You scared of Mr. Roblox man? Or whatever this guy is. Okay, Steve has got his sword out. Doesn't seem to know how to use it too well. Seems to be hurting himself with it more than anyone else. He's gripping it by the blade now. All this guy is doing is just laying on the floor, and it seems to be the best defense in the world. Okay, can you stand the fuck up? He dropped his sword.
He died.
Alright, you're the new, focus of interest here. Could you stop fucking... Alright, fine. I will heal you. Just calm down. Syringes are supposed to give life, not take it away. What have I done? There we go, worked that time. What is wrong with you? Alright, we'll try the first Steve we tried to spawn. He's decomposed now, but that shouldn't change anything. Come on. Alright, welcome back, buddy. Stand on your own 2 feet. See, now this is an absorber. Okay, I'm a skinless guy just... What the fuck is ha- Okay. I need to use a good weapon. Calm down. Taste the bubbles. This isn't working. Well, blunt force always works, so I am not surprised. You guys remember Invincible? Time to create that, recreate that iconic scene. I don't necessarily remember it going this way. Come on! Kill him already! Someone do something! You're just flailing your arms around. Fine, here, I'll help you. That wasn't supposed to... Oh. They're both dead. All I see is death. Remember this meme? There he goes. Here comes